YouTube, what's going on? Andrew Darling here. Guys, grades are almost out. So I'm getting close to that. Some of my grades have already posted. I have two classes left, just my externship and my race class power, my Black Lives Matter class. I should be getting my grades for those soon. I don't think I get an actual letter grade for my externship. I think that's just a pass. I don't think I could fail my externship. I was there. I did some work. So what the heck's been going on? Guys, I've been seeing a lot of traffic to my site, to my YouTube channel here, mostly with you new upcoming 1Ls. So you're going to law school, huh? Ugh, should be fun. Now listen, don't let anybody tell you that you can't do it. Don't let anybody tell you that it's a miserable experience, it's terrible, it sucks, or whatever. Listen, those people suck, okay? Yes, law school is hard. Yes, it's going to be difficult. Yes, it might challenge you more than anything's ever challenged you before in your life. Doesn't mean you can't do it. It doesn't mean it sucks, okay? So it's preparing you for a different type of life than what the majority of the population lives as far as critical thinking, reasoning skills, definitely a very particular craft, a very particular trade. You should know pretty soon once you start law school whether it's something that you're going to love or not. I actually like the academic side of it. I like the law school, if you will, put that in air quotes, experience. I really love it down here in Miami. Got my little Miami Law shirt on today, so I am extra hype. I should be starting my internship here in the next week or so for the summer. I am back down in Miami after having a chance to spend a few weeks, just about a full month with my family up in South Carolina. So we'll see what happens there. Maybe even some big changes there as far as where my kids will be next semester, where I'll be. Who knows? We got a whole bunch of moving parts that we're trying to figure out as my wife is active duty in the Army. So we got a lot of stuff going on, a bunch of fun stuff. I've been doing, real life conversations and whatever, so I hadn't had too much time for YouTube. But listen, guys, if you guys are starting law school in the fall, absolutely feel free to reach out to me. On Twitter, Instagram, it's at Mr. Darling4, so MrDarling and the number 4. Definitely reach out to me. I answer pretty much every comment that's on this page. Otherwise, I talk to some folks on Twitter, or I've even talked to a couple folks on Facebook. I'm perfectly okay giving out my email address. I don't mind. Reach out to me if you have any questions. I have a whole bunch of videos about my 1L experience, so those should be helpful. Hopefully, I've had lots of folks tell me that they are. I have done very few related to my 2L experience. I'll definitely do more next semester in the fall, as my summer is essentially only an internship. So in the fall, when I go back to pretty much 5 classes for the semester. I'll have a couple days that's really heavy academically, and then I have another day it's 3 classes, but nothing too crazy. So once I get everything situated around the fall, I'll definitely do another how to plan your day sort of thing. Going through finals again, I only really had one final, and then I had a 20-page paper I had to write. So for me, this last semester was more about my internship or externship, whatever you want to call it, at Ryder, and as well as some at the Office of Regional Counsel, where I was able to get a little bit of experience doing some document organization, if you will, for a capital case. Very, very cool stuff. Not the case itself, but just the learning the structure of how everything's supposed to work. I've been super fortunate. I had a plan coming down here to Miami last year of how to approach the 4 semesters I was going to have in Miami. So if I can get this summer on track here in the next week, I should be on track to do exactly what I wanted to do in my 2 years down here. Since I did my first year in Charlotte, if you guys didn't know, I did my first year of law school at the Charlotte School of Law, and then last year, and then next year I'll be down here at the University of Miami. So look, guys, you got questions, let me know. I know you guys are about to start law school. I know some of you are in law school. I know some of you just graduated law school. Man, those of you that did graduate, congratulations. Kick ass on the bar. That's super important. Obviously, if you want to be a practicing attorney. And if you don't want to be a practicing attorney, go get you a fun job where your JD will get you some extra money. So hello HR department and school, teaching, and a whole bunch of other fun stuff. So let me know in the comments what else you guys want to see. My summer is pretty free. I'm actually doing some stuff on my tech channel, which I haven't done for quite a while. So Thank you guys so much again. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like the video. Let me figure out about how many of you guys are actually staying to the end of the video and watching it. So I appreciate your time. Super boring background. This is actually in my my room instead of my living room. I don't know if the lighting in here is better or worse, but it is what it is. So I'll bring my tripod to school at some point this week and maybe do another video once all my grades post. Thank you guys so much for your time. Like and subscribe. Do that now. We'll talk to you soon. Talk to you in the next one. All that fun stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know. At Mr. Darling 4 on Twitter, Instagram. I'm pretty sure you can find me on Facebook if you search that, because that's the end of my little Facebook link, whatever. But that's it. We're going to go ahead and press the stop button. So y'all have a good one. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon.